waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida. Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, 20 nautical miles. Tampa Bay waters. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida. Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, 20 to 60 nautical miles, including Anna Maria Island, Bonita Beach, Captiva, Clearwater Beach, Courtney Campbell Causeway, Don Pedro Island, Dunedin, Egmont Key, Fort Myers Beach, Gandy Bridge, Gasparilla Island, Hillsborough Bay, Howard Franklin Bridge, Indian Rocks Beach, Johns Pass, Longboat Key, Longboat Pass, Minnesota Key, New Pass, Old Tampa Bay, Passagrille Channel, Sarasota Bay, Siesta Key, St. Pete Beach, Sunshine Skyway Bridge, Tampa Bay, Terracea Bay and Venice Inlet, until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:48 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing waterspouts from Courtney Campbell Causeway to 32 nautical miles southwest of Captiva, moving east at 25 knots. Mariners can expect strong winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday evening for western Florida.